Welcome, folks. Today, we dive into AWS IAM and the mystery of server certificates. Think of certificates like digital passports. Without them, secure communication is a mess. But not all certificates deserve a long life. Some need retiring to keep our systems safe. Let's explore why, when, and how to bid farewell to a server certificate. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Alright, let's talk AWS IAM. Imagine a party. Without a guest list, anyone could walk in and eat all the snacks. IAM ensures only the right people get access to the right AWS resources, avoiding chaos. It uses policies to set permissions, making security less of a guessing game. Server certificates are like secret handshakes between computers. Without them, any random stranger could claim to be your best friend. These digital proofs of identity ensure encrypted, safe communication, making them critical for online security. And yes, bad certificates. They're like expired ID cards, completely useless. Managing server certificates is like keeping your driver's license up to date. If a certificate expires, chaos ensues. Websites break, connections fail, and everyone panics. Proper management ensures security and uptime, and automation makes life easier. Let's avoid digital disasters with smart certificate handling. Alright, folks, let's talk about deleting a server certificate. Sounds simple, right? Well, not so fast. Certificates are like the locks on your doors. Remove them and anyone can walk in. Without the certificate, systems depending on it might refuse to work, throwing errors your way. So before you hit that delete button, always make sure you have a backup handy. Deleting a certificate is like removing the seatbelt from your car. Things get risky. Encrypted connections vanish, leaving your data exposed like an open book. Users may get alarming security warnings, and worst of all, your applications might just give up on life. So think twice before deleting, unless you're a fan of chaos. Before you pull the plug on a certificate, let's talk best practices. First, figure out who's using it. Dependencies are everywhere. Let stakeholders know, so you don't get angry emails later. Testing alternatives can save you a world of pain, and always evaluate security risks. Unless, of course, you enjoy disaster recovery exercises. Deleting isn't always the answer. Sometimes a little TLC is all your certificate needs. Renew it instead of wiping it out. Update dependencies to avoid broken systems, and wildcard certificates can simplify things too. And if managing certificates feels like juggling flaming swords, consider a managed service instead. AWS Certificate Manager, because who likes manual work? It automates certificate management, plays nicely with AWS services, and takes renewal off your plate. Plus, security and compliance are built in, so you can stop stressing over expiring certificates and focus on more exciting things like coffee breaks. Troubleshooting certificates is like fixing a Wi-Fi router. Sometimes, turning it off and back on works. Check if it's expired, confirm bindings, trust settings, and don't forget to restart services. Because let's be honest, most IT problems get solved by restarting. Security is like brushing your teeth, ignore it, and things get ugly. Keep an eye on expiry dates, use strong encryption, lock up private keys like Treasure, and rotate certificates now and then. Because nothing says I love security like a well-maintained certificate. In conclusion, deleting a certificate is serious business. Always evaluate if deletion is necessary, plan ahead to avoid chaos, and use managed services when possible. And remember, following security best practices isn't just a suggestion, it's a survival guide. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.